Podcast is on the rise, and this is the best podcast microphone you can get on the market. I got this from Moody Accessories Hub. Let's unbox it and see how it goes. All right, so in this video, I'm not just going to unbox it. I also show you how to connect this to your mobile phone or your computer, whether you're going to do podcast or you're going to be singing on TikTok. All right, so the first thing that you get to see is the XLR cable. So get some extra cables in here. This is a USB-C. Then you have your lightning adapter, also type C to USB-A adapter. The next thing is the actual microphone. All right, and guys, this microphone is very good because I've already tested it out. I just wanted you guys to see the unboxing. It has echo feature on this microphone, so those of you who will be singing on TikTok, this would be a perfect one for you. So you can switch to the noise cancellation mode or the normal mode. Also, you have the mute and unmute button. This feels very premium from Moody Accessories Hub, going for 400 Ghana cedis only. You also get the base where you can basically connect like so, and then you let it sit this way. You have the USB-C and then you have the XLR cable. So if you have your mixers, you have to pick the XLR cable and then plug the female into the male, and you plug this onto your mixer. I don't have a mixer here currently, and so I won't be able to show you that, but I know most of you will be connecting this to your mobile phone. Basically, if you have your phone and your phone is a type C, for example, all I have to do is to connect this here and then connect this other part to this one. And as you can see, the microphone is going to turn on and you can basically use it. Now, if you are, for example, doing a TikTok live, what you have to do is to plug your earpiece here so that if someone speaks to you on the live, you would be able to hear from the headphone. Welcome everybody to today's podcast, and today we are going to be talking about the best podcast microphone from Moody Accessories Hub. Period. And the beautiful thing is, if you're singing, you can basically turn on the echo and increase the echo. So I'm increasing the echo now. I guess you guys can hear that. I don't know, maybe this is too much echo, but you have to find what works for you and then basically go according to that. But as of now, now I've taken away all the echo, so I guess you guys can hear how this sounds. And then now this is what the echo looks like. If you want to mute, you mute. If you want to turn on noise cancellation mode, okay, you have to basically turn this thing. You know, it's on the blue, right? And blue indicates that it's on normal mode. When I press and hold the mute button, it takes it to this green button, which means noise cancellation. So right now it's in noise cancellation mode, and so that should be taking away every noise in the background. So basically that's how this microphone works.